Hey guys, what up? As the thumbnail suggests, today we'll be dealing with bananas and how to keep them fresh for long. Alright, let's get started. It's very important because we pick up fruits and vegetables for, at least for a week, and it's sometimes hard to keep them fresh for that long. So we tend to pick up less, or we bring in, like, let's say 8 or 10 bananas, and we have to kind of get rid of 3 or 4 of them because we made sure they got spoiled. And so today we'll be talking about bananas, how to keep them fresh for long. And this trick, everyone should be using it. Probably it's very good technique if when you're staying far from supermarkets, and you cannot, even if you want to, you cannot make it to a supermarket to pick up your fruits and veggies every day. So this would be a whole series, and today I'll be dealing with bananas. I picked this bananas up from Choidrams. It's one of the supermarkets here, and the brand is, we call it Chiquita, and it comes all the way from Africa, and I love these. We also get the Dole bananas, but Dole it's somewhat sweeter, so I really prefer this one because it tastes like banana, not Dole, which is a little sugary, and so I don't want to have that. I prefer this, and it's been like 3-4 years I've been picking only these. Alright, so let's get started. How to keep them fresh for long. Alright, so the most important part in this video, and to keep these bananas fresh, is this part. See this? This is the part which will do all the tricks. Alright, so your focus should be this part, which is the crown of this banana bunch. Alright, this is the most important part, which will make sure that we keep them for long, fresh, and edible. Alright, so let's get started. Thing you will need is an aluminum foil for this. Alright, get a small piece of aluminum foil, make sure it's to the right size, and then wrap the crown of this bunch of banana, and cover it, and make sure you cover the whole area, the edges and everything, in a way. Just make it devoid of any air or any light. Just make sure you cover the whole part in between those singular bananas, and so this is how it would look. And now obviously everyone knows that you can't be putting these bananas in the fridge, so after doing this, you can put them outside, and they'll stay fresh for long. Alright, just to show you a comparison, these are the bananas I had bought a day before yesterday, and look at them. I did not cover them with the aluminum foil, and within 2 days, probably, if I don't finish them or I don't have them today, they'll be gone by tomorrow, because they'll become all they will over ripen and become stale. Alright, so make sure you cover your bananas well, and keep them for long. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, and yes, if you have any friends who stay away and they're struggling with their vegetables and fruits, and they have to pick up every now and then just to avoid making sure that they don't go bad, share it with them. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. I'll make sure you keep getting these kitchen hacks and plant hacks every single week. All right, make sure you hit subscribe and have a good life. Bye bye.